there's a Killdeer right over here. I'm gonna risk backing up the car. What's up, guys? We're here in the park driving around. Gonna do a little car blind action. Wind has been brutal. Don't expect a lot today. And then, yeah, we're just gonna kind of sneak up on people or sneak up on the birds. The songbirds have been really rough just lately, the last 24 hours, because they've been going everywhere. I mean, the wind's kicking them out of the trees. So we're gonna look for some ground birds, like some robins or anything that kind of relates to the birds, I guess, where they have a little bit open field so they're not so skittish. And that's the thing, you know, trying to get maybe some robins, shorebirds or something. So we're gonna head into the park, and then, yeah, we'll see if we can scare anything up. The lighting conditions have been all over the board. It looks like it's almost dark. The sun comes out for a little bit and goes back away. But we'll take anything we can get today. Let's see what we can find. See if we can pull in here. Just look at the lake. There's a couple geese there. Nothing with a good angle. Nothing with a good angle. Oh. See what it sounds like outside. Yeah, you get it. That wind's kicking. That's the calm stuff, but yeah. Let's drive around a little more, see if we can find something. Okay, looks like some birds here, some geese. See a couple robins coming up. Birds are not on the trees at all. They're in for safety. But there are some nice robins digging up some grubs. That's the thing. Robins, man, they don't care what kind of weather it is. They're always around kind of digging up grubs and worms. So let's get you in here, because there's a couple out there right by the lake. Have to reach out there quite a ways with this. Like these things, little guys, just going everywhere. Oh, there's a Killdeer right over here. I'm gonna risk backing up the car. Pulling it forward a little bit. Just get them to stay there a little stronger, a little more. So, getting a little dark. It's not a bad day. Not a bad day for something I thought it was going to be a total bust. I literally was not prepared. Didn't have all this kind of setup. I just brought the camera, 300 mil f4, 1.4 converter, OM1 Mark II, and just drove around. I didn't think there'd be anything out. But hey, I'll take a win. It's a win is a win, no matter how you get it. Car blinds, I love this kind of stuff. You can drive right up on it, and they just don't care. They see cars all the time, and they're just not, if I just get out of the car, guarantee they're going to leave. They're like, nope, not going to deal with that guy. But when you're inside this kind of world, and we haven't even blacked out the windows or anything, just drive up, hand hold it, maybe use a little bit of the digital teleconverter. Like I said, it's 840 millimeters. And then when you put the teleconverter on there, you're probably 1600 or something like that. But yeah, so I'm going to say today's a win. You guys got comments, questions, like, subscribe. See you later.